Now let's go straight to number 2. In a football match, the tickets for children and adults were sold at 3D and 5D respectively. Okay, let me say number of children, let me call that A, and then number of adults, I want to call that B. Now, ticket for one child is 3D. That means ticket for A children will be 3AD. Yeah, 3AD. Now, ticket for one adult is 5D. That means ticket for the cost of tickets for B adults. For B adults will be 5BD. Now, let's read further. The question says, if 400 people attended the match, number of people who attended will be number of children plus number of adults. That's 400. Let's call that equation 1. And 1,700D was collected in ticket sales. Yes, the amount paid by all the children for tickets is 3A, so that means 3A plus, and the amount paid by total amount paid by all the adults for tickets was 5B, so that means 3A plus 5B is what will give that 1,700D is equal to 1,700D. Let's call that equation 2. Now, what does the question say? What are we to find? How many tickets were sold to adults? So that means I want to know the number of tickets sold to adults is the same as the number of adults. So let's solve the simultaneous equations. What do I do here? I want to multiply this by 3, equation 1 by 3, and equation 2 by 1. So that simply means 3A plus 3B equals 1,200, and equation 2 remains 3A plus 5B equals 1,700. Now I want to eliminate A. 3A minus 3A is 0. 3B minus 5B is minus 2B. 1,200 minus 1,700 is minus 500. And I'm going to divide both sides by minus 2, which means B equals 250. Therefore, the number of adults, how many tickets were sold to adults? Therefore, 250 tickets were sold to adults. So tickets sold to adults, tickets sold to adults equals 250. Now the next question, which is question B, this is actually 2A. Question 2A. Now to 2B. 2B says Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of the tickets were for adults, how much sales did he make altogether? Mr. Sonko sold 175 tickets. No, Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets, and 175 of those tickets were sold to adults. That means tickets sold to children. Number of tickets that Mr. Sonko sold to children will be equal to 250 minus 175. That's correct. Yeah, that's correct. 250 minus 175, and that's 75. So that means he sold 75 tickets to children. Now, what's the question? The question is, how much sales did he make altogether? So that means number of adults he sold tickets to is 175. Number of adults is 175. And here, instead of writing tickets sold to children, I could have just simply said number of children. Yeah, I think I can just say, this is number of adults, 175. So number of children will be 250 minus 175, and that's 75. So the total amount he made is going to be 175 adults. That's 175 times the cost of ticket for one adult is 5, plus cost of ticket for one child is 3. So that's 175. I think I should write how much sales did he make altogether. Total amount, total sales, let me call that total sales is now going to be equal to 175 times 5 plus 75 times 3. Don't forget that one ticket for adults is 5D and one ticket for a child is 3D. So, and that's simply, let's do that quickly. 175, that's 175 times 5 plus 75 times 3, and that's 1100D. So that's the total sales he made all together. Now, okay, all right, that's it. Let's take a breather and then come back to number 3.